evening, students. So here we will discuss the correct answers of the quiz play with patterns. So first of all I will enter my name here, then school, then class 4 and section I am entering D, then roll number I am entering 0. Okay, now come to question number 1. Complete the pattern 1 4 9 dash 25. So students, 1 is 1 1 jar, 4 is 2 2 jar, 9 is 3 3 jar, 25 is 5 5 jar. So the dash, what number will be there in the dash? Yes, 4 4 jar, that is 16. Then after 25 there is another dash. What will be a number in that dash also? Yes, there will be 6 6 jar 36. So the correct answer is option D, that is 16 36. So the pattern will be like this: 1 1 1 jar 1, 2 2 jar 4, 3 3 jar 9, 4 4 jar 16, 5 5 jar 25, 6 6 jar 36. Then come to question number 2. 24A, 23B, 22C, 22D. What type of pattern is this? So here the pattern is a mixed pattern, because here alphabets are here and also some numbers are here. So a pattern which is a mix of number, alphabet or figures, so this will be called a mixed pattern. So this is an example of mixed pattern. Then come to question number 3. Look the pattern: A equivalent to D, B equivalent to E, C equivalent to F, like that, Y equivalent to B, Z equivalent to C, then play becomes. So here for A we will take D, for Y we will take B. So in which word there is D and B in the last 2 letters? Yes, in option C. So the correct answer here will be option C, that is SODB. Then come to question number 4. Complete the pattern January, April, July, October dash. Option A January, option B February, option C March, option D November. So here January and we will left February, March, 2 months we will left, then we will leave, then April, then we will skip 2 months once again, May and June, then July, then we will skip another 2 months after July, August, September, then October, then here we will also skip another 2 months after October, November and December. So the answer will be your January, option A. Then question number 5. Choose the numbers from the given alternatives which can replace the sign question mark in the following table. So here is a table given, and just look at every rows. First row is, look at every column. First column, in first column there are some numbers: 25, then 21, then 17, then 13. Then look at here and observe that here in column 1 the numbers are decreasing by 4, 25, then 21. So 21 is 4 less than 25, so 4 decrease 4i, 25, 21, then 17, then 13. So the next number will be your 13 minus 4, 4 less than 13, that is your 9. Then come to second column: 29, 25, 21, 17, then yes, 17 minus 4, so that will be 13. Then come to third column: 33, 29, 25, 21, then next number will be 21 minus 4, so that will be 17. So option B is your correct answer: 9, 13 and 17. Then come to question number 6. If A equivalent to Z, B equivalent to Y, C equivalent to X, then dash equivalent to R. So here the answer will be I. So option C is your correct answer. You have to just reverse the alpha letters, that is A is the beginning letter, Z is the end letter, then B is the second letter and Y is the second last letter, then C is third letter, X is third last letter. So like that I will be equivalent to R. Then question number 7, match the following tiles with the floor pattern they will make. Match the following tiles with the floor pattern they will make. So column 1 there are some floor what we call tiles are there in column 1, and in column 2 there are floor patterns. So if we observe this column 1 and 2, that is that are tiles and the floor patterns, our answer will be tile number 1 will be make floor pattern C, then tile number 2 will make floor pattern B, then tile number 3 will make floor pattern C. So tile number 1 will make C, 1C, then 2B, 3A, 1C, 2B, 3A. So option B is your correct answer. Then question number 8, if A equivalent to 1, B equivalent to 2, C equivalent to 3, like that Z equivalent to 26, then what is the secret message for 10, 21, 13, 16? So if you write the 10th letter, 21th letter, 13th letter and 16th letter, so there will be a word which will be your jump, JUMP. For 10th it will be J, for 21st it will be U, for 13 it will be M, and for 16 it will be P. So here the secret message will be jump. Option B is the correct answer. Then question number 9, the upside down image of this figure is which option will be the correct answer here? Upside down. Yes, option C. Then question number 10, this is the last question of this quiz. Look the pattern, A equivalent to 1, B equivalent to 2, C equivalent to 3, like that, X equivalent to 24, Y equivalent to 25, Z equivalent to 26. Then how will we write look? So for L, count your fingers, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Yes, for L, 12. So in which series of numbers there is 12 at the beginning? Yes, option B. So option B is the correct answer here. Now we will submit our answer. Now we will check our score. Wow, we have secured 20 out of 20. So all of our entries are correct here. Okay, thank you all.